Fellow bank aspirants, listen carefully. In reasoning, one topic gives you fast marks. That is what? That is coded inequalities. If you understand the logic behind the symbols, you can solve the questions in seconds. Today, we solve most repeated PYQs and master exam tricks. Stay focused and stay fearless. If x greater than y and y greater than z, in this case, x must be greater than z. If x greater than or equal to y and less than z, in this case, x greater than z. If x greater than y and y greater than or equal to z, in this case also x greater than z. If x greater than or equal to y and y greater than or equal to z, so in this case x greater than or equal to z. Okay, observe carefully. If we have two equal symbols, greater than equal to, greater than equal to. In the fourth, we have equal symbols. That's why here we get equal symbol, greater than or equal to symbol. Remaining all other cases, see, this is first one, second one, third one. We have one equal symbol in second equation. In third one, we have one equal symbol. Though it is having equal symbol or without equal symbol, all the cases, all these three cases, we get only greater than x greater than z, x greater than z. In the fourth equation, we have x greater than or equal to z. So here, observe here, equal symbol, equal symbol. Whenever we have equal symbol greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, in that case we get greater than or equal to. If we have one greater than, one greater than equal to, right? In that case we get only greater than. That means all symbols must contain, if all the symbols must contain greater than or equal, then only we have equal greater than symbol. Similarly, if x less than y, y less than z, then x must be less than z. If x less than or equal to y less than z, for this case also x less than z is valid. If x less than or y, x less than y and y less than or equal to z, for this case also x less than z is valid. When we have x less than or equal to y and less than or equal to z, so only for this case we get x less than or equal to z. See here, greater than, less than or equal to, less than or equal to. Then only we have less than or equal to. In remaining cases, only less than z, less than z, less than z. Here we have one equal symbol. In this case, we have one equal symbol. Here no equal symbols, only less than, less than. So for all these three cases, we have only less than, less than, less than. X less than z, x less than z, x less than z. When we have equal symbol, less than equal to, less than equal to, less than equal to, then only we have less than equal to symbol. If you compare the question symbols into these symbols, you can do it easily. See, this is less than, less than, less than. This is open, we say. We can go from this direction to this direction. Okay, less than, less than, less than. All symbols must be in the same position, same direction. See, we can go from here to here. Suppose if I have this kind of symbols, then I can start from here, I can go, but here I close. This is closed, so I can't go. In that case, that conclusion is wrong. Conclusion is invalid. We can go, suppose if we have equal symbol, we can go through in this direction or in this direction. Okay. Using this technique, you can solve 5 questions in 50 seconds. Here given statements and conclusion. Let us solve first question. C greater than A greater than or equal to T, and the second statement is S less than E equal to T. Conclusion 1 is A greater than E. Conclusion 2 is C greater than S. We have to check whether both two conclusions are valid or only one conclusion is valid or only two conclusion is valid. Like that, we have to check whether the given conclusions are valid or not. Let's begin. First condition, this conclusion, these Roman numbers, one is first conclusion, this is second conclusion. These are statements. Okay. We have, from statements, we have to prove these conclusions. Now we are checking whether A greater than E is valid or not. That means whether we can get A greater than E from the given statements. A, we have to establish a relation between A and E. Here is A, here is E. Okay. In these two groups, statements, choose one common letter. Common letter is T. So we need A, T, E, A and E. We have to establish a relation between A and E. So A is here, E is here. Choose one common letter, that is T. So from this AT and this ET, we can form one relation. See, A greater than or equal to T. I write this one as it is. Then I have to attach this E is equal to T. E is equal to T. Here T is there. Okay. Here E first, T next. Here T first. E is equal to T. Can we can write T is equal to E also. So here T after T is equal to E. From this, A greater than or equal to TE. I am writing E is equal to T. From this, I want only A and E only. Relation between A and E only. So I got A greater than or equal to E. Between A and E, we need A greater than or equal to E. We got A greater than or equal to E. But here given A greater than E. That is wrong. We have to get greater than or equal symbol between A and E. Here given only greater than symbol. That's why it is invalid. We have to get exact this relation in the conclusion. So one is wrong. Conclusion 1 is failed. Okay. Next, let us check conclusion 2 whether it is valid or not. Now let us check whether second condition, second conclusion is valid or not. C and S, right? We need C and S. Where is C? Here is C. S is here. So one common letter we have to select, that is T. Okay, common letter is T. So first write this one. C and S. Where is C? C greater than A greater than or equal to T. Next, T is common letter. So this I am taking. T is equal to T. Here T first is there. Okay. Here S E T here. Now I have to start with T. So T is equal to S. I write in reverse order. T is equal to S. T is equal to E. Okay. T is equal to E. Here given S less than E. We can write it E greater than S. S less than or equal to E. This can be written as E greater than S. If you want to change this letters order, right? This less than becomes greater than. Yes, E. Here E, yes. Now T is equal to E. T is equal to E. E after what I got? E greater than S. E greater than S. In this way, we have to arrange. After that, C greater than S. Where is C? C greater than S. Here C. Here S. C greater than S. Okay, C greater than A greater than or equal to. Here you can write one letter enough. T is equal to E means both are same only. We don't want E or T. We want only S. Okay, I am just for formality I am writing E greater than S. So from this C greater than, all are greater than. Only one equal symbol is given. That means C greater than E. C greater than S. So only one equal symbol is there. If all the places if we have equal, then here equal symbol comes. So only one equal symbol means equal symbol won't come. C greater than S. If you get confusion, check that condition. X greater than, Y greater than, Z. This is if X greater than, Y greater than equal to Z, then in that case, X greater than Z is valid. So similarly, this one. Just compare with the beginning. I read statements. Compare with them. You can get clear idea. So second conclusion is valid. We got second conclusion from the statement. So 2 valid. If only 2, see here, only 2 follows means your answer is 2. Only conclusion 2 is valid, your answer is 2. I will explain about the answer how we have to choose. If only conclusion 1 follows, your answer is 1. If only conclusion 2 follows, your answer is 2. If both 1 and 2 follow are valid, answer is 5. If only 1 is failed, 1 is wrong, and second conclusion also wrong, in that case, your answer is 4. And final case is either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2. For this case, your answer is 3. You have to, you are given these instructions in the directions, right? So observing this reading these directions, you have to choose the answer. Let us solve the next question. If only conclusion 1 follows, your answer is 1. If only conclusion 2 follows, your answer is 2. Both 1 and 2 follows, your answer is 5. If both 1 and 2 wrong, invalid, then your answer is 4. If either 1 or 2 is right, then your answer is 3. Now let's do next question. F less than U, less than or equal to L, D greater than H, less than U, that is equal to B. First conclusion is, conclusion 1 is H less than N. Second conclusion is H equal N. H is equal to N. So here HN, relation between HN we need. HN, where is H? Here is H, here is N. So this is first group, this is second statement, right? HN. What is the common letter? Common letter is U. So using U junction, we have to make a relation. HN. So here is H. I am writing up to this part. D greater than H less than U, right? Then U after U, I want N only, right? So U less than equal to, this part I am adding to this, less than equal to N. By looking here, see this is greater than, this is less than. Greater than, less than. Symbols are opposite. We are not having all less than symbols or all greater than symbols. One greater than, one less than means this is completely wrong. So conclusion, one is wrong, one is invalid. H is equal to N. Between H and N, we don't have equal symbol, right? We have equal symbol here. No, we should have only H is equal to N only. Here less than or equal to symbol is given. So this is also wrong. So both one is failed and the second conclusion also failed. In that case, answer is 4. See, 1 is wrong, second is wrong, your answer is 4. So answer for this question is 4. F less than U less than equal to N. Second statement is D greater than H. D greater than H less than U is equal to B. Conclusion 1 is H less than N. Second conclusion is H equal to N. H equal to N. Let us check whether the first conclusion is valid or not. H less than N. Relation between H and N we need. Okay. Where is H? Here is H. Where is N? Here is N. To mix these two statements, this is first statement, this is second statement, right? So to combine these two statements, we need one letter common. What is the common letter in these two groups? Common letter is U. So using that common letter, we have to arrange them to get a relation H and U. HN. So where is N? Common letter is U. I am taking U and N. Here H and U. I am mixing these two, right? H first, H next to N, right? HN. So I am writing first H. H less than U. U after here I am going to this condition U after we have less than or equal to U. I am adding this less than or equal to U. From this H less than N. For this we get between H and N what I write H N, right? H less than N I got. If you are not understand this condition, just compare with X less than or equal to Y less than or equal to Z. In that case, X less than or equal to Z. I told you this condition. If you have less than symbol or equal symbol, right, we get only less than symbol. So first one is valid. Next, second one, H is equal to N. Between H and N, we don't have equal symbol. H is equal to N, not this equal symbol, right? Only equal symbol we have to get. We are not getting H is equal to N. So second conclusion is wrong. Only conclusion 1 valid. So only one conclusion valid. So answer is 1. So answer to this question is 1. Let us solve 14th question. That is G less than or equal to L greater than or equal to O greater than or equal to W. Again, greater than or equal to I less than L. Only single statement is given. Conclusion 1 is I less than L. Conclusion 1 is I less than L. I less than L. This is conclusion 1. Conclusion 2 is L is equal to I. Both are I and L only. Relation between, in conclusion 1, we are given I and L relation. Here also I and L relation. So I need only I and L. Where is I in the statement? This is statement, right? I is here, then L is here. L is here, I is here. So we have to take only this portion. I am writing this portion. L greater than or equal to O greater than or equal to W greater than or equal to I. I want I and L. Okay. I and L or L and I. Both are same only. If you want to write more clearly, you can write I first. If you want to write in reverse order, just change the symbols. No need that one. See, L greater than or equal to O greater than or equal to W greater than or equal to I. We want L and I. L and I. See, if we combine these two conclusions, I and L. First conclusion is I and L given. Second conclusion is I is equal to L. You can write it L is equal to I. You can write it I is equal to L. So I is equal to I less than L and I is equal to L. These two can be written as I less than or equal to L. Okay. These two can be written as I less than or equal to L. So I less than or equal to L we have to get from this. Here L is first, I is next. Here I is first, L is next. So I am rereading this one. First write L and change the symbol. Less than or equal to become greater than or equal to next I. L greater than or equal to I. So here first letter L, last letter I, greater than or equal symbol, greater than or equal symbol, greater than or equal symbol. All At all places we have greater than or equal symbol. So between first and last letter also we get less than or equal to greater than or equal to I. That means L greater than I is right or L equal to I are right. When we get this type of condition, your answer is 3. Your answer either or. That means either 1 follows or either 2 follows. That means L greater than I or L less than I. Right. So either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. So answer is 3. Now let us solve question number 15. Here given G greater than, less than or equal to L, greater than or equal to O, greater than or equal to O, greater than or equal to W, greater than or equal to I, and less than L. Conclusion 1 is O greater than G. Conclusion 1 is O greater than G. Second conclusion is W less than L. So O to G we have to go. O to G. Here is O, here is G. O to G. This portion we require. Okay. I am writing this one. G less than or equal to L, greater than or equal to O. I want to change the order. First I write here G O. I want OG. So first we write O. This less than greater than equal to become less than equal to L. This less than equal to become greater than equal to G. See here G first, O next. Now in the conclusion we are given O to G, right? O first, G next. So we arrange it O, G. Now see here, one less than equal symbol, then greater than equal symbol. All are not in same direction. So this is wrong. Conclusion 1 is wrong. If we have these opposite signs, opposite symbols, we won't get conclusion, right? That's why first one is wrong. We must have conclusions. Symbols must be in this direction or in this direction, right? Same direction. All less than, less than, less than, or all greater than, greater than, greater than. See, let us second conclusion. W less than N, right? W N. Here is W, here is N. It is in perfect order. See, in statement W first, N next. In conclusion also W, N. W first, N next. I am writing this one. W greater than equal to I, less than equal to N. From this I can write first letter, last letter. W, N. Greater than, here less than given. Greater than, less than. Not possible. Okay. All are greater than or all are less than. Here given one greater than given, one less than given. So this is wrong. Second conclusion also wrong. So one is wrong and second conclusion also wrong. In that case, we have to choose answer 4. Let us solve the last question, that is 16th. R greater than M greater than or equal to T less than or equal to Q equal to S. Okay. First conclusion is R greater than Q. Second conclusion is